Know all the crypto tips and tricks? Security too?
Survival School with Jože.
First, the basics of PC and mobile device safety. If you download cracked games, don't lock your phone, or open attachments from unknown senders, no wallet protection will help you. I know, basic security tips. Hey, you promised cryptocurrencies. Remember, Bruce Lee said, "A chain is as strong as its weakest link."
Really? Bruce Lee said that?
Yes? Okay, now crypto tips and tricks. First, crypto exchange and accounts. Trade only with the money you are willing to lose. Why? It has happened that exchanges vanished overnight. Everything went kaput. Trouble believing? Google mt.gox or BTCE.
What?
Yes, that's why you should save big money in so-called cold wallet, also known as cold storage wallet or a hardware wallet. If you only have around 100 euros, cold saving makes no sense. After buying the cold wallet, you will have nothing left. Kind of a chicken-egg situation. Okay, let's move on. Next tip, crypto wallet backup. Your phone can get stolen, a hard disk may die, paper can burn, therefore backup. Backup how? Make 2 different copies of the wallet.dat, save them on 2 different locations, but different wallets have different backups. Learn about yours. Key takeaways. First, 2-factor authentication on your trading account. Confused? Google it. Second, backup your wallet. Do it before the first transaction. Finally, keep the big money by your side and use a cold wallet. For more crypto tips, visit varninainternetu.si, like and share this video, and let your friends know about crypto threats. And good luck!